Are you also wondering why Scam 1992, the Harshad Mehta story, wasn't included in the recent Flix Filmfare OTT Awards? Are you also blaming Filmfare for being unfair and not including one of the best web series in the world? Well, you are not alone. There are many like you who are asking the same questions. We will reveal why Scam 1992 didn't bag any awards. Recently, Filmfare announced one of its kind award function for OTT contents. Web series like Patal Lok, Arya, The Family Man, movies like Bulbul, Raat Akeli Hai bagged too many awards. But soon Twitter was flooded with people questioning and blaming Filmfare for not including Hansal Mehta's Scam 1992, the Harshad Mehta story. This is what the fans had to say. Once again, Filmfare doesn't recognize and appreciate the real talent, but this time in OTT platform, no awards for Scam 1992, the Harshad Mehta story, Scam 1992 which wins everybody's heart. You are above this, Filmfare. Looking at fans' anger and disappointment, the maker of the series, Hansal Mehta, finally took to Twitter to clear the air. Through his tweet, Hansal clarified why the Pratik Gandhi starrer wasn't nominated for this year's OTT award function. Seeing many tweets echoing similar sentiments, Scam 1992 was released much after the cut-off date for this year's Filmfare OTT Awards. Hence, it was not eligible for nomination. Our biggest award is the love we continue to receive from you. Well, that's right. Scam 1992 was released much after the cutoff date for this year's award function. But don't worry, we are pretty sure Hansal's web series will bag bunch of awards in the coming year for its outstanding response and could possibly emerge as India's top web series. After all, risk hai to ishq hai. Kollywood's biggest family drama of 2020 has finally come to an end. Tamil star Thalapathy Vijay is back in news, and this time for his statements against the political party started by his father. Yes, you heard it right. Tamil Nadu elections are near and many are preparing for it, including superstar Rajinikanth. Vijay's fans were also expecting Vijay to plunge into politics. In fact, Vijay's father, S.A. Chandrasekhar, started a political party in the name of the actor's fan club, All India Thalapathy Vijay Makkal Iyakkam. But what came as a surprise is that the actor backed off from the party. In a statement, Vijay clarified he has nothing to do with politics or the political party. He even warned of taking a strict action if the party will use his name or pictures. This became a sensation, and now the latest reports suggest that Vijay's father, after seeing the actor's reaction, stopped further steps on starting a political party. Reports also suggest that the actor is in talks with the members of his fan club who want him to start a political party. Well, 2020 is yet to end, and we don't know what more to expect in the remaining days.